Okay, so these are problems 13 through 16 from the Getting Ready for Chapter 3 on page 131. And in this chunk of questions, they want us to graph the equation. Now, the first step that I would do in graphing an equation is to turn it into slope-intercept form. So this would be step 1. And they give you the equation not in slope-intercept form, so we need to move stuff around. So this one says 3x equals y minus 1. The easiest way to move this one is just to add the 1 to each side. Then that just moves it off of the y and onto the left hand side. So the 1's cancel out on the right hand side and we just have y equals, and then we have 3x plus 1. Alright, so cool. Now, even though the equation's backwards, you could say, it's still in the form of y equals mx plus b. And if you remember that the m is the slope, and the b is the y-intercept. Or in other words, b is where the line crosses the y-axis on our little graph here. So this is the y, this is the x. So this is pretty easy once you have it in this form here, because you just take this number, which is 1, and you go up 1 on your y-axis here, and then you just put a little dot there, and now you need a second dot to be able to graph this. So then you just go over to your slope, which is 3 for us. That means it goes 3 up for every 1 over. So we go, let me draw some tick marks here. 1, 2, 3, 1. So it goes up 1, 2, 3, and then over 1, and then we put a dot there. So this would be our graph, and then you just draw a line through everything as straight as you can. And that's it. That's how you would graph a linear equation like this. The next part's going to be graphing inequalities. So if you need help with those, go to the next video.